If you're searching for a tool to grow your website's traffic on autopilot, please stop searching, because Outrank, this tool, is definitely the big winner at the moment. This tool provides automated content and automated backlinking. I think those are two very important components to get organic traffic. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what Outrank does, how I've set it up, and I'm going to show you the content that I've created so far with this tool. So if you create an account on Outrank, you get an onboarding. I did this already, but you have like similar screens in your dashboard. So I can show you those. So in the onboarding, you set a business name, the language, the country, and you provide a description about your company or your audience or anything you want. Outrank provides auto-completion with AI everywhere, so they help you almost in every step. And you also provide your brand colors, your preferred image generation, styles, and all those kind of things. Then it has an audience and competitors onboarding. It helps you to provide these audiences. It created 4 for me, and I've added 3 myself. And you provide your own competitors. And after you've done this, Outrank is going to work for, I think, around 15 minutes and is going to get a complete picture of what your goals are. So it understands your audiences, your target groups, and your competitors. And based on this, it's going to create a lot of relevant keywords in your content planner automatically. You don't have to do anything. These keywords, I think, are even backed by Ahrefs information. So you just do the onboarding and Outrank does the rest. You don't have to have any experience with SEO. They take everything away for you. And then you can also connect your search console, but it's not super important, I guess. You also connect your sitemap. And in my example, I didn't even have one blog post. So it started to create blog posts for me, and I connected those to the backlink exchange. And every new post I've created, it started to create backlinks too. So here is the blog I've created, I think around 2 weeks ago. And here you can see what kind of articles it created. So you see it generates the cover image for every article, and the articles itself are way better than all AI tools I've tried so far. Here you can see it really generates nice images, not like just copied stock photos or real weird AI images. It inserts the right YouTube videos, very relevant. It follows your brand instructions. So I've provided a few colors that are important for my brand. It creates internal links to each other, but it also creates, I guess, external links to other connected Outrank users. So far I've created, let me see, in the content planner or in the content history, it created every day for the past, I think, 8 days, a super valuable article. And the cool thing about this article is that it is written for my audience. So it finds a keyword, it generates a complete article with everything needed for a proper SEO article. But in the end, it also writes it towards my product. So here, for example, it concludes to my product. So for example, I have a product in the couples and relationships niche, and it always ends with something that is relevant to my product. My product is always the solution of the article. So this way, all these keywords are ranked in Google and ChatGPT, and then my product is the solution for this. And I think it's especially valuable in LLM search engines, where it is going to summarize the article. And if someone asks something related to this article or to this problem, it's going to provide my product as a solution. And that's in the end what we want. So I hope this video makes you also excited about it. I think they are offering plans now for $99 a month. I think you can nowhere find a SEO solution this cheap. So for me, this is a no-brainer. Backlinks and valuable content creation plus SEO research for $99 a month is the perfect offer, I guess. So if you're also interested in building organic traffic on autopilot, Outrank is your tool. I've provided a link to it in the description of this video. So please check it out and do yourself a favor. Have a nice day.